That's like the fucking song they used on Storage Wars.
It's what they use on most shows like that, especially like Hell's Kitchen. I feel like the most basic conversation, and then when they play that, it's the camera
It was,
zoom.
Like, yeah, like high stress environment.
It's like
Disgusting.
this food tastes slightly bad. Contrast goes
There's,
up,
like-
camera zooms in.
Yeah, it starts playing like a heartbeat effect. Dum, 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 dum.
Fucking has a heart attack. Everyone on set just passes out.
That's not good.